Talk now?
Hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
There we go.
There we go. If you can't hear yourself, nobody else can hear.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to taxi it out of here for us. Because it's kind of tight in here.
34 Quebec at Alpha 2, requesting taxi to the active runway for VFR departure.
Cherokee 3034 Quebec, Van Nuys ground runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Taxi to runway 16 right via Alpha Charlie 3034 Quebec. Assume.
And if you'll notice, I'm steering it with my feet down here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this doesn't do anything for us. So we're in the air.
Okay.
Sky 3 and Quebec 3 is caution for Cherokee outbound from the northwest corner.
We'll look for that traffic 3 and Quebec.
I'm going to pull over right here and stop.
Van Nuys ground, Studio Bravo off 16 right, Golf, taxi Encore.
Sirius 12 Juliet Bravo, Van Nuys ground, taxi to Encore via Alpha.
That yellow line right there?
Yeah.
Taxi right down that line, okay?
Outbound from the northwest
So it's your airplane, and you'll use your feet to turn it, okay?
Okay.
Like this. Right, left, right. And if you move your feet up to the top, it's the brakes,
Oh, okay.
right? I wouldn't even touch that. It confuses.
Yeah, it's a really weird feeling. I want to like put my hands.
Now you do. You want to turn it, and it won't do nothing. Excellent. Right down that yellow line. Very good. We're going to listen to a little weather information on the way.
Landing departing runways 16. Notice the airman statically helicopter route is unavailable. Advise on initial contact you have. Information hotel. Van Nuys Tower information hotel 1951 Zulu weather. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 22 dew point 10. Altimeter 3004. ILS Zulu approaching use. Landing departing runways 16. Notice the airman.
All right, and this is going to go off to the right.
On initial contact you have.
So we'll slow down just a little bit and then turn to the right. Up on that right rudder all the way. And we're following that airplane right in front of you.
Wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 22 dew point 10, altimeter 3004. ILS.
How's it going back there?
Nice.
All right.
It's good.
16. Notice the airman statically helicopter route is unavailable. Advise on initial contact you have. Information hotel.
All right, so we're going to start slowing down. Now with our brakes.
Van Nuys Tower information hotel.
And we can stop right about now and wait for him to stop.
Visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 22 dew point 10, altimeter 3004. ILS Zulu approaching use. Landing departing runways 16. Notice the airman statically helicopter route is unavailable. Advise on initial contact you have. Information hotel. Van Nuys Tower information hotel 1951 Zulu weather. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 22 dew point 10. Altimeter 3004.
All right, so that's our weather information we have to have before we take off and land. All right, so we have it. He's moving out, and we'll move up to where he was. All right, so we let go of the brakes. There we go. A little bit of power. Is moving, then we take that power out. And get right on the line. Look at you. And then we can stop. Right here. Excellent. All right. I'm going to call the ground controller and get us back. Okay?
Okay.
Van Nuys ground, Cessna 734 Echo Sierra, holding short Alpha Alpha 2, taxi hotel.
Cessna 734 Echo Sierra, Van Nuys ground runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
16 right, Alpha Charlie, 4 Echo Sierra. All right, we can let go of the brakes. And we'll give it a little bit of power. And we're going to follow the yellow line to the left. Place that.
Van Nuys ground, Cessna 452 Sierra. Mike is off of the active at Golf to Signature West.
Bit more brake.
Cessna 452 Sierra, Mike, Van Nuys ground.
There you go. Excellent. And then right down the yellow line.
Signature West via Alpha 2 Sierra, Mike.
And we're just going to go to the runway, okay?
To the left?
Nope, we're going to go to the right.
Oh, to the right, okay.
Van Nuys Tower says the 734 Echoes here are holding short 16 right. We're looking for a right crosswind departure.
734 Echoes here, Van Nuys Tower, right cross and departure approved over the flood basin, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
All right, we're clear for takeoff. Right turn at the base.
All right, so we're rolling out onto the runway. Follow that line to the right. Yeah. And when we get lined up on the runway, right, just follow that line. All right, then let go of the feet. I'll take care of the feet now. Go ahead, push this power in full.
All the way?
All the way. All right, this is your airspeed, okay? And when it gets into the green, I want you to pull the yoke back 2 inches. All right, right about now, pull the yoke back 2 inches. And off we go. You're flying. All right, we're going to push that forward just a little bit. Okay, excellent. Pull the nose up. There you go. That's excellent right there. We'll pull it up just a little teeny bit more, just a little bit of pressure. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. All right, we're going to straighten it out a little bit. There we go. Likes to move around, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And we're just going to go straight for a little bit, okay?
Okay.
And then we're going to make a right-hand turn. And this shows us our altitude.
Okay.
So we're about 1,500 feet above sea level right now. All right, so when we make a right turn, we roll the airplane to the right.
4 Echoes here, frequency change approved.
4 Echoes here, thanks.
All right, so let's make that right turn. We roll it with our ailerons. Excellent.
Is that too much?
Oh, that's perfect. Pick that nose up a little bit. Pick her up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. There you go. And now roll out straight. Go left, left, left. There you go. Perfect. Wing level. And we're off this way.
And this is our level, right?
That is our level, yeah. We call that the artificial horizon. Because we can look out the window and see the big horizon, or look at the horizon in a 3-inch view. Try only to use this when we're in a cloud, and we really can't see outside.
Okay.
And we're going to climb up to about 2,500. Little is thousands of feet. Big hand is hundreds of feet. So right when that big hand gets on the 5, we're going to lower the nose a little bit.
Okay.
Go ahead, push that down. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Right about there. All right, now we're going to practice keeping it at 25.
Juliet Van Nuys Tower, right traffic 16 right, I did.
So as we keep on climbing, we push the nose down a little bit. All right? So when the horizon, those hills are right about there in the windshield, we're level. Okay? So if we pick the nose up, boom, we climb. We put the nose down, descend. All right? So it takes a minute or two to get used to where that is, but...
Okay.
City operations, Van Nuys Tower, city operations.
Climbing, we'll put that nose down a little bit.
Cessna 98 Juliet, traffic 12 to 11 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, Cessna at 2,900. They'll be above you.
Okay, 98 Juliet. Helicopter 4 November Charlie, flight of 2 helicopters, mount lead southeast bound, 1.8 will be descending to Dodgers.
Traffic.
Look at you, you're doing an excellent job.
Awesome.
All right, we're going to turn down that way. See a little dip in the mountain?
Yeah?
Yeah, we're going for that. We'll make 1,000 feet. All right. So let's do a left turn. There you go. LA traffic, red and white high wing Calabasas, and we're southwest bound for Malibu. All right, rolling on out. All right, now we'll turn to the right a little bit because we're going over there. That's Malibu Canyon. Start rolling it level.
Helicopter 4 November Charlie, flight of 2 helicopters, Silver Lake, southeast bound to Dodgers, 1.5. North Station, a mile northwest.
And this is Calabasas right here that we're flying over. That just adjusts the fuel mix.
Oh, okay.
Fire 19 departing USC Medical southeast bound. Helicopter 4 November Charlie, flight of 2 helicopters, Dodger Stadium, for a right turn around downtown, 1.5.
All right, so this is our throttle. This is our tachometer. I want you to pull the throttle back a little bit to the tachometer is at the bottom end of the green. Right now it's at the top, so we'll pull it back a little bit to the bottom, okay?
Please send off Hoover Heliport to the west.
And hold your nose up while you do it. Hey, a little bit more.
Up off Hoover Heliport.
A little bit more. That's good, right?
Thank you. 4 November
All right. Now we'll make a little left-hand turn. See the beach? Let's go to the beach.
Can you see the beach?
Yeah, we're going to start descending. All right, yeah, put that nose down a little bit like that. Descend at 500 feet a minute. All right, so we use the pitch. Okay. Little fast, so pull it up a little bit. Ooh, that's a lot of it. All right, wings level. There we go. And let's go ahead and let it down a little bit.
Traffic, red and white, Skyhawk, 2,000 feet from a freeway northeastbound.
All right, so pick it up. Oh, right about there. LA traffic, red and white high wing, Malibu Canyon just crossing the top. Descending for the shoreline, and will be a eastbound turn. All right, just a little bit. There you go, like that. Perfect. And we're going to fly out to the shoreline and make a left-hand turn. LA traffic, red, white, high wing, Pepperdine, turning to the east, descending out of 25. LA traffic. All right, off we go, and we'll keep up that descent rate.
Saddle, maintain north of the freeway. Roger, I'm going to try as well. We're on station.
All right, look outside. Go. That's Malibu Pier right there. All right, and we're descending down to about 2,000 feet. We'll level out now. Keep up our descent. That nose down. There you go. Looking. And we'll level off at 2,000. When we level off, we bring the power back in, kind of up near the top, but not all the way. All right? And that will level this off. Power. In. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. That's good. Now push that nose down. Remember, we talked about the horizon. There you go. Want to try to do a circle?
No.
All right, we'll just keep going straight. I'm going to call Santa Monica Tower in a minute.
Okay.
And I'm going to get his permission to go down the shoreline a little bit, and then we're going to make a left-hand turn in towards Century City.
Okay.
And then another left-hand turn up the 405 back to Van Nuys. So we've been to Malibu, Santa Monica, Calabasas.
Thank you. Lightsport 7 Bravo Kilo, contact ground.
Contact ground, Lightsport 107 Bravo Kilo.
Thank you. November 63 Charlie, right turn at the shoreline approved, wind 240 at 9er, runway 21, clear takeoff. Thank you. Centurion 1 Yankee Sierra, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, 1 Yankee Sierra.
Santa Monica Tower, Cessna 734 Echo Sierra, Topanga in the shoreline, and we're looking for a eastbound along the shore and then a turn back to Van Nuys at 2,000.
November 63 Charlie, right climbing 270, approved.
Thank you.
And who's requesting eastbound at the shoreline?
Cessna 734 Echo Sierra.
Cessna 734 Echo Sierra, Santa Monica Tower, roger, ident for me.
For the flash, 4 Echo Sierra.
Cessna 4 Echo Sierra, thanks, transition approved, altimeter 3007, traffic a half mile ahead indicating 1,200, same direction.
We have the traffic inside 4 Echo Sierra, and we'll be making that left turn in about 3 miles.
Sounds good.
Santa Monica Towers, first cruiser 4465 Foxtrot, inbound over the Palisades, 1,400 feet with Yankee.
November 4465 Foxtrot, Santa Monica Tower, roger, squawk 0243, right traffic, runway 21.
Squawk 0243, right traffic, runway 21, 65 Foxtrot.
That's LAX down there.
Cessna traffic behind to your right, about a half mile. He has been sight indicating 1,800.
All right, I'll keep my eye out for him if he passes me. Thank you. 65 Foxtrot.
Thank you.
Traffic.
Centurion 1 Yankee Sierra, contact ground.
One thing, sir.
Cherokee 4133 Romeo, Santa Monica Tower, you up?
4133 Romeo just came over. We're up with you 2,500 on the main route northbound.
Thanks, Cherokee 33 Romeo, same intentions.
33 Romeo is proceeding north up the coast to Oceano. We're just going to go VFR, no flight following.
Cherokee 33 Romeo, roger, and let's see here, I'm going to have a...
All right, so we'll stop our descent right here
Now you can resume...
as we're overtaking somebody.
Remain clear of Class Bravo.
Clear the Bravo, 33 Romeo.
Thanks, and the Cherokee 33 Romeo, squawk 4633 now.
4633.
All right, see that white building on top of the hill?
Yeah.
Let's make a left turn, the big one, the Getty Center.
At 2,500.
All right, so we'll turn and go right to that.
Santa Monica Tower, helicopter 744 November Charlie, flight of 2 helicopters over Blue Whale transition, UCLA, Getty, Venice.
We'll go right across this golf course.
Tower transition approved, and altimeter 3007.
007, 4 November Charlie, flight.
That's the Santa Monica Beach.
63 Charlie traffic, no.
And Venice Beach,
Can resume appropriate VFR altitude.
So little.
Hermosa Beach, Redondo Beach,
Thanks.
all the beaches.
Police 3.
Police 3 Tower.
Guys for Cadillac 800 west transition, then a south turn at the marina, going to the Bravo.
Police 3 transition approved. Caution power sailors at the shoreline. Altimeter 3007.
07, police 3, thanks, sir.
Tower 655, Coast Guard 6557 is at the marina, request shoreline transition northbound.
Airman, statically helicopter route is unavailable. Advise on initial contact. You have information, hotel.
Santa Monica Tower transition approved. Caution, there's a couple banner tow and low-level power sailors. Altimeter 3007.
Okay, we got the Benatar on site. We'll check for those.
All right, that's a good altitude right there. We'll bring that nose down a little bit, and we'll maintain that.
3 Charlie, frequency change approved.
Okay? And we do that by controlling our pitch, right? Horizon as the reference.
Thank you. Stand by one more. That's now 4 Echo Sierra. You're going to Van Nuys?
Affirm, 4 Echo Sierra.
Okay, great. That's now 4 Echo Sierra. Traffic about 1 becoming 12 o'clock, 2 miles northbound. Also heading to Van Nuys, I believe the Bonanza. Frequency change approved.
Yeah, any altitude on that Bonanza, 4 Echo Sierra?
It won't be a factor. He's well ahead of you. He's indicating 2,100, so pretty much same altitude. So that's now 4 Echo Sierra. Good day now.
Good day. Oh, I got him in sight. Frequency change, 4 Echo Sierra.
Thank you.
Van Nuys Tower, Skyline 345, Romeo Kilo. Hold
And then left turn.
the left crosswind through Burbank, going to Brackett.
Delta 5 Romeo Kilo, Van Nuys Tower, cross 16 right, hold short, 16 left.
Cross 16 right, hold short, 16 left, 5 Romeo Kilo.
Roll it out.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 734 Echo Sierra, Getty Center Hotel, full stop.
Cessna 734 Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, right traffic 16 right, squawk 0240.
0240, 4 Echo Sierra, and we got that inbound traffic to the right of us in sight.
Cessna 5 Romeo Kilo, contact tower 120.2.
120.2, 5 Romeo Kilo.
Citation 7 Pop Echo, additional traffic east of Beam.
Up, I lost them.
Parallel runway, wind 13010, and spacing's adequate with the helicopter landing. They're on a mile.
Getting some good pictures back there. And some, what's his name? Ansel Adams.
Sorry?
Ansel Adams, the photographer.
Yeah.
A little bit more to the left. Yeah. See that water right there?
Yeah.
Kind of like that way, all right?
2 miles.
All right, wings level.
Make that a Cirrus at 3,000. They're above our airspace, and they're talking to SoCal. They'll be crossing the front at 3,000.
And 7 Papa Echo, we're looking.
All right, down that way now. That's our airport. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to parallel that runway going to the north
Charlie, if you could continue
at 2,000 feet.
Mike And then when you get to Alpha
Okay,
Romeo...
so right about there. Let's go wings level.
But there's another helicopter that'll depart right behind you once you get into parking.
And we'll pull a little power back down to the bottom of the green.
Locus there, citation 2.5 mile final, number 216 right, clear to land, wind 140 at 7.
All right, we're number 2 for 16 right. Thanks for the winds, 4 Argus here.
All right, so we've been cleared to land. How about that, huh?
Oh, fun.
Yeah. So we're going to go down a little bit in altitude, all right? Because the traffic pattern altitude here is 1,000 feet.
130.
All right. So we're going to go right to this edge of this water, okay? A nice slow descent. We don't upset anybody, right? And then we'll level off at 2,000 feet by bringing that nose up a little bit. Okay, excellent. Bring a power in, mixture goes rich, landing lights go on, fuel's on both trim, mixture. Throttle, boom, lights is required. All right. Now we are on what we call the downwind. Because the wind's blowing from behind us. So we're flying downwind.
Wind 1108.
Just called out the winds for us. Winds are very important to pilots because that's what makes an airplane do all that kind of good stuff. And when we go from flight to landing, we like to know exactly what we expect.
For 1 November Charlie, 4 November Charlie, ready to come out from parking.
So we kind of line up right parallel with this runway. All right.
For you to get in.
And we get right at 2,000 feet. We've slowed down quite a bit.
I don't know the situation down there. It's not visible from the tower.
Well, if we can get them out, we're going to go south of them, and then we'll come into their spot. But if they can hold before they take off, that would be great. So we'll move south of them.
Helicopter 1 November Charlie.
See, that's the control tower right there.
Citation 7 Pop Echo, ground 121.7.
Picking up. That's where that gal's telling us what to do from. He's in control. My old girlfriend used to tell me I'm losing control. I said, you should go to work in the tower. All right. So we're going to take this power. Let's pull it back to 1,700.
And helicopter 1 November Charlie, they're a little bit busy now. I can't
All right. A little bit more.
So,
A little more. There you go. Looks good. All right. Airspeed. So move this down 1 notch.
We'll just wait for
There you go. Right like that.
we'll
Now we're going to put that nose down a little bit. All right. Check this power. Make sure we got the setting we want. All right. And we're just going to keep these wings level. 3 knots. But don't forget to breathe. Loose grip on the jokey poo. All right. So looking good. Looking very good. And when we get 45-degree angle from the runway, we're going to go ahead and make a right turn. Are you getting sick? Okay. You want me to do this? All right.
Please.
Let's open a window for you a little bit. That might help you. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and land. Get a sick bag for her. I'll get it on the runway as soon as I can, okay? Better now?
Yeah, I'm okay. Sorry.
All right.
Sorry.
What's that anxiety?
Yeah.
Going into parking now. Be clear.
1 November Charlie, you may go into parking. Thanks for your patience.
Traffic.
You ready? All right, so we got both flaps, right? We're just going to point this nose down where we're going to land. Take our power back a little bit. And we just kind of keep the wings level. That's all we got to do. All right, we'll pick the nose up just a little bit. Add a little power into it. Level it off a little bit. Right like that. Take the power out. Just like that. Cover your mic back there. There you go. All that noise.
Oh, sorry.
All right, it will go away now because when.
Forgus there, ground.
Right on 7 Forgus here. NUYS ground, Cessna 734 Echo Sierra off at Hotel for the prop park.
Cessna 74 Echo Sierra, NUYS ground.
Ground, good afternoon, Gulfstream 992 Mike Sierra at Western Jet, taxi with hotel.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Mike Sierra at Western Jet, taxi with hotel.
NUYS ground. Runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo Charlie.
16 left via Bravo Charlie, Gulfstream 992 Mike Sierra.
Taxi 90902 Mike Sierra, Van Nuys ground. Runway 16 right, taxi via Bravo Charlie. Hold short, runway 16 left.
Okay, 16 right, Bravo Charlie, hold short at 16 left, 992 Mike Sierra.
NUYS, we're at 16 right, Charlie, as straight out departure.
Cessna 726, contact Tower 1199.3 for departure.
NUYS grounded, Seminole 311 Echo, Foxtrot at Alpha 2 Alpha.
All right.